Hey fellow game developers, in this video I'll share some Unity tips and tricks to make your miserable lives as game developers a bit easier and save you a lot of development time. So let's get started. You can add custom shortcuts for your frequently used actions such as creating new scripts or new folders. Instead of right clicking and going to create submenu and all the way up there to create a new script or folder, you can create a shortcut from Edit Shortcuts. Here you can see all the existing shortcuts, remove or edit them, as well as adding new shortcuts. So for creating new scripts, I want to assign Alt S, which is already taken by the save command of the input action editor. But I'm going to reassign it to create new C# scripts instead. Also, I'm going to assign Alt F to create new folders. Now I can just Alt F to create a new folder and Alt S to create a new script. Much faster. And you can add shortcuts for all Unity commands. With new scripts, I don't want the comments and the start and update methods, and I have to get rid of them and make my adjustments to the new scripts every time. But instead, I can make my adjustments to the new scripts template. From Unity Hub, show your editor's version in Explorer, and once you are in the editor folder, go to Data, Resources, Script Templates, and edit this file. Then you're gonna save your changes, which requires admin permission. You can save it elsewhere and copy and replace it here. Now, whenever I create a new script, it's already the way I want it. You can take this one step further and create your custom project templates with your favorite assets and packages already installed. To do that, let's create a new project. Then I'm going to remove the packages that I don't need and install the packages I do, such as Cinemachine and Super Editor. I also got rid of the unnecessary folders and renamed a few folders in the project. And now it's time to make this a template. Once again, go to the Unity Editors folder, then go to Data, Resources, Package Manager, Project Templates, and extract one of the .tgz files. Doesn't really matter which one, because we're about to replace the contents inside. In the project data folder, delete all the folders and replace them with your project's assets, packages, and project settings folders. Then inside the project settings folder, delete the project version.txt file. Then open the packages.json file and edit the name and description and match the Unity's version. Then you're going to compress all of these into a file with the exact name that you did here. Mine is com.unity.template.customurp, and that's the name I want for the TGZ file. Now delete the extracted folder afterwards and restart the Unity Hub, and you will see your custom template. Unity's editor is totally customizable, so don't stick to the default layout. Creating custom layouts is not just about the position of each window. All the other customizations you make will also be saved. For example, the scene view tools, world grids opacity, gizmos toggles, so I can have one layout for level designing without the gizmos, and then the default layout has the gizmos. I can have another layout with everything turned off in the scene view, and so on and so forth. So definitely make multiple layouts for different tasks. If you're developing for mobile phones and tablets, you can test your UI and screen aspect ratio by switching from game mode to simulate in the game window. As you can see, different devices have different aspect ratios. Also, if you ever wondered how your game would feel for console gamers, you can connect your computer to your TV and run your game full screen. If you're working on an old laptop and that makes the game laggy and drops the frame rate, you can decrease the resolution. Just create a new display preset with a fixed resolution that your laptop can run smoothly. For example, an HD resolution, which would only fill 1/4 of a 4K display, but then you can use the scale slider to make it full screen. This way, you can play full screen even if your PC is slow. Alright, that should wrap up this video. Let me know your favorite Unity tips or tricks in the comment section. Give this video a like, and I will see you in another video.